Today's boring business is an NYC commercial cleaning company, cash flowing $1 million a year. This marks day 32 in our 50 states in 50 days with today's company based in New York. Starting with cash flow, the company throws off $1 million a year or $83,000 a month. On $5.1 million of gross revenue, that's a 20% cash margin. What does the company do? This is a commercial cleaning and janitorial services company serving New York City and Nassau County. They work with commercial clients, office, and also specialty customers. The owner is asking for $4.3 million on Biz Buy Sell, or 4.3 times cash flow. The average cleaning business on Biz Buy Sell goes for 2 times cash flow, but our company is about 20 times the size of the median sale price here at $4.3 million. Any buyer or searcher wanting to purchase the business with an SBA loan will have to put up $430,000 down of their own money or from outside investors to fulfill a 10% down payment. Utilizing the potential structure above, you can make up to $415,000 the first year, pending any changes in due diligence. For investment highlights, commercial cleaning companies are known for lucrative recurring revenue contracts. This is an established business in a very competitive market with 35 plus years in operation, and they have a long-time loyal staff in place. On concerns, you want to make sure there's no customer concentration risk for employees post-close, who's staying and who's leaving, or any key employees that want to leave. And then for licenses and insurance, there's a lot of operational risk with commercial cleaning companies, especially based in New York City. Remember, do your own research. You can lose more than 100% of what you put in. This is for informational purposes only.